if I can fly?
It says we fly that airplane too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. When do you guys do it?
Whenever we have enough people wanting to ride on it, we'll fly it.
Okay.
They have an upcoming nighttime flight where they fly around the city.
Tomorrow.
That's tomorrow?
Yeah, I saw it online.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. It's a real nice flight. It's not loud in there. It's a comfortable flight.
Okay. I may just come tomorrow.
And she's an 80-year-old plane, so
80?
80.
Oh.
All these planes are about the same age.
You're safe.
Yeah.
Right, okay. That's the number one thing.
Sure.
Alright, thank you. This was C-47?
Yes, you can go inside it.
Okay, alright. The C-47. Let's go inside of it. What an adventure for all those who are in the army or was in the army, Marine, Navy. Your life must have been excited, adventurous, never a dull moment in your life. And we respect you guys for all that you have done for the world, the countries that you represent, the countries that you're protecting. Let's go inside. Oop. Guess this is just a little wash area.
Yeah.
I know, it's slant.
It's steep, isn't it?
It's so slant. This is how it is slant?
Yeah,
Oh.
when it's flying, it's all flat.
Yeah, it
Okay.
levels out. Boy, that's
Oh, when it's parked, it's like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Is he flying now?
No, there's still about 7 other planes ahead of him.
Okay.
Let you know that it's not going to be this second because there's still 1 or 2 coming in.
Yeah, he's got all that stuff.
Fancy inside. Can bet it was luxurious back in the days.
I'll tell you, this was a workhorse.
And this is a family standing by a C-47 back in the days. Fancy lamp and a little dresser with a JVC radio. Let's look inside. Nothing much in there. And have their couches with seat belts. Definitely safety first. Guess these are speakers right here. AC vent. I guess this is where they will prepare the food right here. Soil dishes, waste. This is the cockpit area for the pilots. No admittance. My fear of heights would not allow me to be a pilot. Ooh. But luxurious. This plane operated by the 11th Troop Carrier Squadron of the 16th Troop Carrier Group during World War II from May 1943 to October 1945. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to book a flight in this aircraft or any other aircraft that they have at Arizona's Commemorative Air Force Museum, go to azcap.org. Thank you.